Here at Future Food Tech, I want to highlight, which to me is one of the most exciting companies. I have with me folks from Ginkgo Bioworks, Sushmita Venkatraman, Director of Marketing and Growth at Ginkgo Bioworks, and Swami Srinivas, oh my word, I knew it'd be something, Srinivas, who's the Director of Organism Engineering. So you say that there are some companies out there that they would like this scale and they can see the vision. What are some applications that maybe people don't think of or doesn't immediately come to mind that you say, oh gosh, this would really be enhanced by synthetic biology?
I think there are quite a few examples of these. I mean, things like bioremediation, these are like, or climate change, these are larger challenges that cannot be addressed by any one company or one group of people, but rather requires a large concerted effort. I think, Sushmita, maybe you can talk a little bit about our climate change efforts.
I'd love to know more about
Yeah, of course. For us, climate at Ginkgo, we take it very seriously. And one thing to add is last September, actually, we went public. And so we raised about 1.6 billion. And this money is actually used to continuously improve, the infrastructure and also help build this ecosystem where, biology can be used. And the reason why I emphasize on biology, so I studied biology undergrad, my graduate level. And the one thing I've really come to realize is that it really helps unlock the economies of scale. And it helps companies produce products that can really be differentiated from not only each other, but also from what exists today. And there's a lot of creativity around R&D and biology that one can really geek out on and build new solutions. And some of the the benefits are biodegradability, performance. You can meet the performance of existing products. Well, hell, you can also enhance the performance of products using very specific techniques. And so I think it's really important for the world to sort of step back and realize that biology is a powerful ally in the fight against climate change. And that we need to move away from petrochemical processes. We need to move away from the traditional methods of farming. And we need to really leverage what we really have, which is reproducible, as well as degradable, safe for the planet.
And when you say reproducible and degradable, would this imply naturally that it captures more carbon, or it just puts out less carbon? Explain for me again that connection between the environment and how this can really help to address climate change.
Yeah, so I think a lot of the processes that we are seeing right now emit a lot of greenhouse gases. And they involve harming animals in the process. They involve harming plants in the process. And so what fermentation can do, precision fermentation, as well as other techniques related to biology, is to really remove those harmful components associated with just breaking it down, the processes that are naturally used today. And so when I mean reproducible, experiments can also be reproducible. And that's how you can get to that level of the scale that we are really imagining.